Hi guys, so it's a cold weather today and I thought to show you amazing recipe of what we prepared today. We're gonna call this catfish and indomie pepper soup, or is it catfish or noodles pepper soup? So guys, we have a catfish neatly washed with lime and hot water. So we're going ahead to boil it by adding our onions, salt to taste. I added a bit of ginger and garlic unblended. I just need the flavor to infuse in this pepper soup, and I added a bit of my pepper soup spices and 1 key seasoning cube, and I added my yellow red habanero pepper. I'm going to allow this to cook up as I cover it. So after some minutes, I'm gonna be adding the noodle spices. You know, we have to add this to give it that flavor and that unique taste of noodle spice, so at least you will know you are eating noodles. Alright, so I'm gonna go right ahead to add it up into my catfish pepper soup. You might decide to want to pre-boil yours and sieve it. It's your own. If you want the way, fine. If you want it this way, it's still very okay. Alright, so I'm going to allow this to also cook for some minutes. Actually, it doesn't take a long time. In less than 10 minutes, you are done with this. So I'm gonna be sprinkling some ugu leaves in this recipe. It is absolutely optional. You can want to skip it, it's fine. Alright, so it is already served. The weather is so cold today because it's been raining all day. Alright, so serve it while it's still hot. That is the main purpose for it, and then enjoy. After you must have finished, you have to take this with the water. Actually, that is why it is called pepper soup. When I tasted the water from this pepper soup, catfish, indomie, it tastes so really amazing. You need to try this recipe. If you try it, you will thank me later. Alright guys, so let me allow you to watch the video and then enjoy. Try this recipe. If you try it, comment below. Bye bye for now, and subscribe to our channel for another big banger recipe. Thank you guys. Item 7 Dish lovers. Bye bye and see you next time.